using arithmetic calculator example. So in this example, what we do is first we declare a variable. Okay, so int a comma b. So we'll accept two numbers. Okay, so printf enter the two numbers. Enter two numbers. So first we have to accept two numbers. Then scanf %d. You have to use double quotations. As we know, printf and scanf are formatted IO. So ampersand a comma ampersand b. Okay, so we have accepted two numbers. Now for calculating of arithmetic calculation, we need one character variable, char op. So the operator will accept what operation you want to perform. So after that, we also accept printf enter arithmetic operator. So as we know, the arithmetic operator is what? Plus, minus, star, slash, modulus. If at all they don't know, you can list out here. Plus, minus, star, slash, and mod operator. Okay, that we will ask the user. So scanf %d and ampersand op. So what you are doing here till now, we are accepting we have accepted two numbers and one operator. Now you want to perform based on the input, you have to perform the operation. So if the enter plus, you have to do addition, minus means subtraction, star means product, slash means division, and mod means remainder you have to perform. Okay, so let us switch. Okay, so the OP will be the input of the switch case here. So always the input to the switch is compared with each and every case value, as we know. So here always character must be quoted in single quotations. So only integer or character only can be the input of switch because it can perform equal to comparison. Are we clear? So case plus, case minus, case star, case like that we will have to write. So we have to list out all the cases here. So we will list out all the 5 cases here, people. And make sure that, right, case plus, case minus, case star, case slash, and case mod. Are we clear? So we have listed all the 5 cases, and you know how to perform the operation. If you want to use directly using a printf statement, you can perform here instead of declaring a separate variable. Sum is equals to, okay, sum is equal to %d, and here a plus b. People, here we are not learning the arithmetic operations, please. We are demonstrating switch statement. So don't bother about what a plus b, a minus b. Here, how the switch is working, we have to learn. Are we clear? So break. If you don't give break, what will happen? From the place where the condition is true, all the remaining cases will be executed. Okay, so if you want to execute only one operation, you have to use break. So like this, you have to write all the printf statements, right? Let us write fast. So printf difference, that is subtraction. Difference is equal to mod and a minus b. Similarly, you have to use break for each and every place. Okay. Then you have to calculate the product as well as. So let us calculate the product. Then let us calculate the remaining all the operations also. So first difference, then product, a star b, then a slash b, then a mod. So we know already what is a mod, which is a used to calculate remainder. So mod is a very important operator, people, which is used in many programs. So division, So you are printing division with quotient value. So A by B will print the quotient and A star B. So we are listing the plus, difference, product, slash and mod. Now let us write, if at all, if a user is entering any other than operator than arithmetic operators. So please write printf invalid. So that is, you have to enter only arithmetic operators, otherwise this program will not work. So here, a switch case simple example here, people. So we have accepted two numbers and one operator, and we are giving input to the switch as a character. Okay. So this example illustrates about character input to the switch. Okay. So this is about switch case, people. Now let us save this program. Switch 1.c. And let us compile the program. The program, yeah, we have to add hash include header file, otherwise printf scanf will not work. So stdio.h. So the program is pretty simple. A simple arithmetic calculator. We are demonstrating switch statement using arithmetic example, people. We are not learning arithmetic operations here. We are demonstrating switch using arithmetic operations. Yes. So there are no errors, people. Let us execute the program. Now, so they will ask to enter the values. So assume that I am entering 175 and 225 are the two numbers I am entering. Okay. So if at all I want an addition, which operator you want to perform? So plus operator I want to do addition, then I have to enter addition. So make sure you are enter correctly. So sometimes what will happen, people? Make sure your character input must use C as a input. So in this program, these are the mistakes people will do. Always the character inputs must be taken with character C, and if possible, try to have a space so that if any buffer will clean. So once again, we are executing a program. Now enter 10, 100 and 200. Now enter the operation plus, then addition is print. So once again, for your convenience, once again I'll try to execute. So assume that I am entering 125, 275 are the two numbers. Then press plus, and the sum is equal to 400. Because you have entered plus, the sum will be displayed. Are we clear? So similarly, if you enter minus, the subtraction will be printed, product will be printed, division will be printed, and ampersand will be printed. Assume that you have not entered the break, what will happen? So let us remove the breaks and check what is happening if you don't use breaks. Are we clear? So switch without break dot C. So let us compile the program once again. Now if you observe in the previous example, once you enter plus, only addition is printed. But now if you enter plus, plus is equal to plus, the plus case will execute. Not only plus, it will print all the sum, difference, product, division, and remainder, and also invalid choice. So what will happen is, first the input will be compared with equal comparison of each and every case constant value. So the input of switch will be compared equal to comparison with case constant. Okay. So once the condition is true, it will start executing the statements. Okay. So once it is true, it will not check further conditions and it will execute all the statements in the list. So if you want to execute only corresponding case, use break. If you don't want to execute corresponding break, you want to execute all the case statements, means use without break. Now we have to decide whether to do the program with break or without break. Are we clear? So this is a simple example for doing an arithmetic calculator example, people, where it will print the operation performed based on your input. Okay, so we are demonstrating switch. Once again, we are making it very clear. It is a switch program using character input. So let us do one more program on switch on oval. Write a program to check oval or not, people.